everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, I am guiding you on how to log in into the Zing Health account. Begin by opening your preferred web browser on your computer. Either Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser you prefer, open up on your computer. Now, in the address bar, type in Zing Health login. Once you type in Zing Health login, hit enter, and here you will see the Zing Health official website. So click on this. Now you will then be directed into the official website of the Zing Health. Right below here you will see the option that is click here to log in. So click on it. Once you click on it, you will then be directed into the login page where you will need to enter your email address as username in this section and after that password in this section. Take a moment to ensure the information you are inputting is correct to avoid any login complication. After confirming your credit details, now click on the login options below the login field here. Once you logged in, you will gain the access to various features and resources tailored to your role and permission within the platform of Zing Health. Through this way, you can simply log in into the Zing Health. Or in any case, if you are a new user, click on this option that is need to register as a new user to create a new account for the Zing Health. Or in any case, if you want to recover the password, click on this option, forgot password, to recover your password easily. By this way, you can simply use the Zing platform or website to log in into the Zing Health account or create new account or to recover any forgot password. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.